Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out the Schengen visa application form step by step. So this is helpful because this form is required when you apply for a Schengen visa, and filling out correctly can help avoid delays or problems with your application. So first, search up Schengen visa application form on Google. Once you see the results, tap on the first website link that shows. After the page opens, tap the Get Form button to access the application. Now that the form is open, you'll see the title application for Schengen visa at the top. Start with the first section where you enter your personal details, so type your surname, then your first name exactly as it appears on your passport. After that, enter your date of birth, place of birth, and your nationality. Make sure everything matches your passport details. Next, move to the section for personal information like gender and civil status. Just check the correct box, then continue to your contact details. Enter your current address, email address, and phone number. If you are living in a country different from your nationality, you'll also need to answer that part. After that, go to your travel document section. So in here, you select the type of passport that you have, then enter your passport number, the date it was issued, and when it will expire. Also include the country that issued your passport, and scroll down to your work or occupation. Enter your current job. If you are a student, just put your school details. Then in the next part, choose the purpose of your trip like tourism, business, or visiting family. So just check the box that applies to you. Next, fill in your travel plan. Enter the country you will visit first and your main destination. Then choose how many entries you want, like single or multiple. After that, enter your planned travel dates, including your arrival and departure. And in the next section, you'll provide details about where you will stay. This can be a hotel or the person inviting you. Add the name, address, and contact details. Then move to the part about who will cover your expenses. You can select if you will pay for yourself or if someone else will sponsor your trip. So just check the correct options based on your situation. And finally, go to the last part of the form. Read the declaration carefully, then write the place and date. After that, sign the form at the bottom. And before you finish, review all your answers to make sure everything is correct and matches your documents. So once that is done, you can download or print the form if needed. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.